On every cruise, there are unsung heroes working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure our experiences are nothing short of amazing. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to two of the hardest workers aboard Holland America's Zaandam, Riri and Agus, the dream team of cabin stewards. In this short but inspiring video, you'll see their incredible teamwork and dedication as they swiftly change my Oceanview cabin's bedsheets. We'll also get a glimpse into their daily routine and find out how long they've been working together and where their journey started. Let's meet Riri and Agus and appreciate the effort they put into making our stay extraordinary.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. I have a question.
Yes.
How often do you change the sheets?
Well, due to after the pandemic, we do a linen change every 7 days.
Every 7 days.
Every 7 days. But if there's something need to be changed during or before 7 days, we will be very happy to change, like by request or something, or maybe some accident.
Okay. Do you guys always work in pairs?
Yes, always.
Morasap. We call it morasap.
Are these two double beds?
That's
Yes.
two.
So this bed is movable. If the guest request for a single bed or twin bed, we can separate it and put the nightstand in the middle. So you have to start. So what's the question?
Well, who would
Bed.
have it separated?
Yeah. So the bed is designed movable. I mean, can change to be a twin bed or king's bed. But I believe for the honeymooners, always king bed. Otherwise, the steward will be in trouble. It will get the effect from the bed separate.
Okay. I have one more question.
Yeah.
So can you change the angle of the bed so that the headboard would be against this wall, like right behind you?
This one?
Yeah.
To where?
So instead of having the headboard over here, you would move it over where you're standing.
Oh, well, still possible as long as didn't block the access to go out.
Okay. So how long have you been
Doing this?
working together as a
Working
team?
We're here.
This is
We live
our almost a second month.
Second month.
Second month together.
Yes, together.
And who leaves before the other person? Like,
Agus.
Me first. I'm gonna be home first.
and when do you leave?
Next year, March 7th.
March 7th. And what
Yeah.
about you, Riri?
June next year.
So you're going to have a new partner, or will
Yes,
you work
new-
on your own?
New partner.
New
The new
partner. It's very hard to work alone.
I will get the new one.
And it's you guys work so well together. You're like best friends.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have to. Because if we don't have chemistry,
Yes.
it's difficult to work as a team.
Like you've got the pattern, like you fold it all at the same time. Everything's done at the same time. It's
Yes.
amazing.
We do the same. We do same training every day,
Wow.
every day. So every time we visit the room and make up the bed, that's our training.
Okay.
So learning never stop.
So how come some people get towel animals here and some people don't?
Okay. So the
Actually,
animal for the animal folding towels, we have a schedule. We do schedule. Usually,
dressing night.
you will get the towel animal on the dressing night.
Oh, on dressing night.
Dressing night.
Yes.
Oh, so I'm getting a towel animal tonight?
Yes.
And when do you make you make them or somebody makes them?
No, we made.
We
We
make
make it.
You
it,
guys make
yes.
them.
Yes.
Actually, before pandemic, we do every day, but after pandemic, we only make in the dressing night.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So the
Before,
pandemic,
Yeah, in the past we do every day, but after pandemic we do only dressing night,
During
right?
the
Yeah,
dressing
during
Wow.
the dressing night.
and how many hours do you work a day?
Total?
11
we
or
work 11.
12.
11 or
11
12
or 12 hours.
a day. So
A
you're
day.
doing each room twice.
Yes, twice.
And you have 31 rooms?
31.
Yes.
Wow. You guys, you're amazing. I
Thank
love you. I think you guys are amazing.
Thank you.
So I'm on the Holland America Zaandam with my two
Yeah,
favorite.
Riri.
We have Riri here. And where are you from?
I'm Indonesian.
Indonesia. And we have Agus here.
Indonesian too. Hello.
Thank you so much, guys. You're
My
amazing.
My pleasure.
Okay, bye. Wasn't that amazing? Riri and Agus truly showcase what teamwork and dedication look like. Next time you're on a cruise, be sure to take a moment to thank the cabin stewards who work so hard to make your trip comfortable and memorable. If you enjoyed meeting the dream team, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to KirkToriStory for more behind-the-scenes cruise content. Until next time, happy cruising, and thank you so much for watching.